Hello, today we're gonna make a thunderstorm video. I guess we are gonna do it right now though. But just a warning guys, they will shock the lights in soon though. Ooh, oh no, I better go.
Hello guys! Today we're gonna do washing up today. I'm so excited!
But washing up isn't exciting. It's only for washing up the clothes and shirt. And then you put it in the hanger for them to dry.
See? Yeah! I'm so excited! But where is my house? I forgot where it is. I need to find it quickly.
Isn't it in this junk pile? No. They're too messy for food. There you go. Just
Wait. I found my house. Oh, the clothes are quite dirty. Better wash them in the washing machine. Okay, we're in the washing machine. Better wait for 5 hours. Gotta click the button. Okay, let's hang them in the hanger.
So this one's for mommy.
And this one's for daddy. And this one's for my sister. Okay, all my washing a hand up. It's time to... hey, what's that? There's a thunderstorm! Oh no, the thunderstorm. Whoa! The wind is blowing me. What? I go. No! Okay, this is a perfect. Sorry, smashed. No. Mom.
I better fix the lights. Oh, I fixed the lights.
Today we can bust it.
Okay, let's get the move on. Okay, well today, the first bit, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do everything I want to do. I'm not sure what, but the first thing I want to do is fly how high I can. And look. That was high.
Today we can bust it.
Okay, just kidding again. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so today you guys, please like, subscribe, and move. Goodbye. Okay, so yeah. Okay.